Osukwini la izolo ku-Facebook naku-Twitter, ama-fighters nabanye abantu nje baseLimpopo nabangazwani ne-March and March, noNgizwe noPhakela Umthakathi bebehlasela uJacinta ngendlela ongakaze uze uyibone. Kodwa-ke ukuze ukuqonde kahle lokukhuluma, ithi siqale ekuqaleni. Isizathu esenza ukuthi ngithi asiqale ekuqaleni ukuthi ngenzela ukuthi uqonde kahle ukuthi bekwenze njani. Kubi ngoba kunomndeni olahlekelwe ilunga lomndeni wabo. Manje ukukhuluma ngomndeni wabo ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, bona bebesebuhlungwini bengakamfihli ngisho ukumfihla, sizobukeka njengabantu abangekho sensitive. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uGeneral uCele ubizwa ngenunu nje ngoba wathi abantu base-South Africa bazi inunu, ngoba ngesikhathi umndeni wakaMthethwa wawugonqile ungakamngcwabi ngisho ukumngcwaba u-former minister uNathi Mthethwa, kwakukhulunywa ngaye ku-ad hoc committee. Futhi ayikho indlela esingenza ngayo ngoba yonke lento eyenzakalayo ithinta iy'mpilo zabantu. Ngikusho lokhu ukuze bazi abantu ukuthi khona siyazwelana nomndeni, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi kune-propaganda ebiphushwa sekuvele iqiniso manje kufanele sikhulume ngalolu daba. Angithandanga ukukhuluma ngale nto ngoba bengiyibuka ukuthi akufanelanga sisebenzise ukufa komunye umuntu ukuze mhlawumpe sithole ama-views la nama-likes la ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Kodwa ngoba sekuneqiniso ne-information esivelile, sengithi angilikhulume ngoba kungenzeka ukuba kunomuntu ongayazi le information ogcine ethole le information obekukhulunywa ngayo izolo ngesikhathi kuhlasela uJacinta. Kulowo muntu loyo engqondweni yakhe wazi uJacinta njengomuntu omubi, mhlampe ongumbulali noma othuma abantu ukuthi ababulale noma ogqugqumezela abantu ukuthi ababulale. Ngiyibeka kabuhlungu kanjalo ngoba ngenzela ukuthi uyizwe kahle le nkulumo.
Tsonga people of the world, whichever part of the country you are in, this is for you. Turns out we are not safe anymore in South Africa. I'm taking this. Mkhaya wa mina, my homeboy, was killed like a dog because they confused this person to be a foreigner in South Africa. The strike that was happening recently. We are not safe. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but we need justice for this boy. I am so heartbroken. I am so scared because something similar happened to me before I got the car, and I'm glad I have it on chat. I told my husband that I'm inside this Uber, and this guy, before I got inside, he asked me if I'm Zulu, I'm from outside the country. And when I told him that no, I'm not from outside the country and I'm not Zulu, he was like, which language do you speak? I'm like, I'm Tsonga. He's like, yeah, Uishangani. I'm a Shangani. I'm a Kwere. Like, that's what he said. And my husband was like, no, please do not mention that you are married from this country, and do not mention anything. Just tell him that, no, sorry, my brother, just take me wherever that I'm going. And I was feeling uncomfortable throughout the trip because this typical Zulu man kept talking about how bad this thing is gonna get, how much he is willing to do that and that and that to make sure that every Ikwere in the country goes. But now I'm taking this video. My brother, I'm gonna say my brother because he's Tsonga, I'm Tsonga, was killed like a dog because they confused this person to be a foreigner. So, what needs to be done now? What do we do now? What do we do? What's gonna happen now? I was never gonna take a video concerning all those things, but it's really getting out of hand. And I'm also feeling uncomfortable because my little brother is somewhere in Johannesburg. What if the same thing happens to him? What if the same thing happens to him? They ask him to speak and then he starts speaking in Tsonga, and then they're like, no, now we go and then they kill him. Tsonga people, what do we do? What do we do? I'm so angry. I'm boiling right now. I don't even know what to do. The way I'm sure this video will make a whole lot of nothing, like maybe 0 cents. But what do we do now? Our brother was killed because they confused him to be a foreigner. what should happen now? What should happen?
Emveni kwale video kusabalele enkundleni zokuxhumana baze bathi abanye uJacinta must be held accountable. Noma yena ezamile ukuchaza ukuthi hayibo i-march and march kuwo wonke ama-marches akaba khona they were peaceful, akekho umuntu wakwa-report kwathiwa ushayiwe okanye ubulewe. Futhi lokumasha kwabantu ngapha yini kuseMossel Bay akuhlangene ne-march and march ngoba uma umphakathi uhlangana umasha akusho ukuthi sekuyi-march and march. Kodwa emveni kwale nkulumo njalo sisi iyasabalala kakhulu ila qale khona ukuthi ku-attack uJacinta. Ngingakho ngithe ngifuna ukukuchazela yona kahle uze wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ukhona kodwa obhala i-comment interesting kakhulu ofaka i-post interesting kakhulu mayelana nalo sisi. Uwandi ubhala ukuthi Tinyiko Essential, a South African married to a foreign national, started the rumor that March and March killed the 19-year-old in Mossel Bay. I said there's no one as dangerous as this cause. As a woman who is linked mastrasically to a foreigner. Wayesiyaphendula uNR Mnisi wathi so a Tsonga woman who has a big platform stands up and speak for her people by raising awareness on what happened to the young Tsonga boy who was murdered. She is married to a Nigerian man and has never hidden that. We all saw their wedding. So akuzama ukuchaza ukuthi cha lo muntu njengomtsonga ukhipha iawareness ento eyenzekile engekho yinhle futhi one platform. Ukushada kwakhe nomuntu oyiNigeria akumenzi ukuthi angabi itsonga futhi into mayi wrong funeka ayikhulume akungamvimbi ukuthi ushade neNigeria ukuthi akhulume into wrong eyenzekile. Umnisi wemvula usho njalo njoba ezama ukuphendula uWandi. Ulo obana basisi uNaledi Chirwa oganele kwaMpungose oyifighter yena wabhala kanje. You guys want us to keep quiet when a mother is mourning her child who was killed because he's Tsonga, because he can't speak Zulu, because he's not Nguni. Never that. We will call you out and teach you by force. We come from townships that were fragmented on the basis of tribes, where there was a Zulu section, Pedi section, and Tsonga section. You will not take us back. We will stand up and talk back. We were never made by influencers and media. We were birthed by the cries of the women of Marikana. We were brought to life by the blood of Andries Tatane. Our home is called Winnie Mandela House for a reason. Why must we lie to you that Africans are the cause of our poverty, when all scientific and historic archives points to capitalism and colonial conquest? Never that. Afrophobia will not win. Tribalism will not win. Our forefathers didn't die in vain. Take that fight to the doorstep of Ramaphosa and his handler, Rupert, and leave black people alone. Lena imessage yakhe uNaledi Chirwa lapha acizelela khona ukuthi ngeke bathule bona ngoba kubulawa umfana wabulawa ngoba engakwazi ukukhuluma isiZulu. eMossel Bay bakhuluma isiXhosa. Ingakho efaka ukuthi ungoni ngoba inkinga lento bafuna ukuyenza ibe ngathi ingiyamaZulu kanti bakhuluma isiXhosa leMossel Bay ngoba kuseWestern Cape. Asiqhubeke. Ephendula kanjena kumakoti kaZuma wathi dear Naledi, it's a pity you people are so disgustingly low and desperate to the point that you will use a child's death to feel like you have an I got you moment. Your obsession with March and March makes you people so heartless and careless to the point of selfishness, and I hope you will get the votes you are so desperately looking for. Naledi, from now on, since this is how low you're thinking is with every single crime committed by foreigners, we will blame you. The 2-year-old girl from Empangeni who died today from eating poison snacks her blood is in your hands. Every person who kills a white person, their blood is in your hands. And every person who vandalizes a shop and has shot a gun in the air, the hijacked buildings, it's because of you as the EFF. All those young men who are today referred to as Amapara, naledi their lives deteriorating as their future ruined is your fault. The young women and girls that are prostituted and trafficked and whose identities are stolen, those who have lost their jobs and are at home not working, replaced by cheap labor, all of them. And we hope wherever you are, you look at yourself with pride for all of that and see what you have done to a black person. Mafuphi uthi uJacinta uma kuzosolwa yena ngeMarch eyenzekele engahlangene naye, okusho ukuthi yonke into enziwa ngama-foreigner, ngabe ukushona kwey'ngane, ngabe ukuhijackwa kwama-building, ngabe ama-drugs, yonke lento le nayo nabo abantu ba-South Africa funeka bayiblame ku-EFF. Uma yena funeka she must be held accountable for indaba yaseMosel Bay lapha bengekho khona futhi kungesiyona i-March and March emashayo, kungabantu bomphakathi. Uma iblame izoba eye-March and March, kufanele yonke into eyenziwa ngama-foreigner wrong ibuzwe ku-EFF. Sengiyadlula-ke kuleli phuzu, ngiza kuleli qiniso engithi livele namuhla. Provincial Commissioner wase is it Western Cape or Eastern Cape? Yeah, yena loyo. Ucacisile ngalolu daba. Cela uzwe la.
I think I'll just ask you, General, to just detail to us. We know that there is the two murder cases that police are currently investigating, possibly linked to the unrest that we saw as a result of the protests that occurred against foreign nationals on Friday. Talk to us about the 18-year-old. There's been a lot of residents or people that are up in arms as a result of that particular murder.
Good day to you and the viewers up there. The 18-year-old matter is unrelated to the first one. This one happened between Saturday night and Sunday morning, 3 o'clock in the morning to be exact. These two that were on Friday, between Friday and Saturday morning. So in this 18-year-old, what we now have information is that the deceased and another 15-year-old, they were together. They were found in an empty shack that was the owner or the person in charge of the shack was not there. And then as were they busy trying to remove some items, then the person in charge or the owner found them inside and accosted them. And then the 15-year-old hid himself under the bed whilst the owner was pursuing the deceased and apparently stabbed him to death. So it is not related to, and they're both South Africans, and the suspect is also South African. They are not related to the Friday, Saturday morning incidents. We are informed of by the other one that was with the deceased. They were found in a shack, the empty shack that the owner wasn't there, and the owner of the shack accosted them inside the shack, and then the deceased ran away. They were there to take some goods for themselves, and then this 15-year-old then hid himself under the bed in the shack, and whilst the owner was chasing this one, and then which apparently accosted him and then he was dead. Which we were looking for him was Meda. That's Meda. Yes.
And the vacant shack, did it belong to a foreign?
Echaza amaphoyisa bathatha abantu abashonile. Laba babili abaseMozambique. Okusolakala ukuthi mhlambe balimale njengoba bekunalama mashi ebewakhona. Ilaba babili abaseMozambique. Amaphoyisa ke awakabuphi umuntu asaphenya. Kodwa kulo daba lwesithathu lo mfana lo ongumtsonga oshonile akahlangene sidalo nemasho. Umfana ubehamba nomngane wakhe beyokweba komunye umkhukhu. Ibalekile le part umfana ubeyokweba. Kanti kuzofika umnikazi walowo mkhukhu, lo munye wangena phansi kombhede ngesikhathi lo ebaleka emgijimisa lo mnikazi, ilapha agwazeke khona umfana washona. Usho ukuthi umuntu ofunekayo manje umnikazi womkhukhu obalekile ngoba egwaze lo mfana, hhayi lento ebilokhu ishiwo la ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana. Uba amaphoyisa ecacisile okuyikona kona okwenzekile ngalo mfana. UJacinta ubhale kanje. Even when we were explaining that we know nothing about the march and we don't ever promote violence, they still dragged us to score political points. Kodwa kulungile. Angiyibambe le video. Bengikhuluma nje ngalolu daba ukuze sicacisele nabantu abangabonanga, sicacisele nabantu abagcine kusolwa uJacinta neMarch and March ngokushona nokufa kwalo mfana, ukuthi abaqonde ukuthi ayihlangene neMarch and March futhi ayihlangene nokutoyitoya kwabantu abebetoyitoye ngalolu suku langoLwesihlanu naSaturday. Cha, umfana nje ungena ubufana ngoba abafana bayaganga la igenge encane mayikhula. No, akusho ukuthi bonke bazikho, ukuthi ukuganga nje kuyakusuka uma umfana ukhohlisene nabangani. Kukhona abantu ababhema ugwayi manje abafunda khona ebufaneni kugangwa. Ungenwe nje ubufana kanti uzongena emzini o-wrong. Nale ndoda le yafike yamgwaza washona. Ikona lokho sikutshelwa ngamaphoyisa emveni kophenyo. Mina nawe sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.